Hi guys, welcome back to the Falto Friday episode. This episode is special for me and I think I should get ready for it, right? At least not this messy hairs. So I think this look good. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Like if you like it, comment if you did. Every story what you listen and you say has a it always has a why. Okay? So today's story, why do I love Samsung so much? Hashtag it's not sponsored. This is what I feel. And why do I still use my S8?
Huh?
Let me introduce myself. My name is Broj Shetty and I live in no man's land, also known as Mira Road, because we are confused if we are from Mumbai or Thane. That is a different story that we'll discuss some other time. So today's story is मैंने इतना expensive phone क्यों खरीदा? Why did I bought that expensive phone? As a kid, I always had a desire to buy an expensive phone. Yes, it is a very small desire, but for a 15-year-old kid, it's a very big desire. And it all began in year 2010. In 2010, I had a friend called Ankit Singh. He bought his first HTC, and this is, as a grown-up, it's a very small desire for all of us, for you as well as for me. Sense of achieving your desire, nothing can beat it. Nothing. Seriously. Okay? The story goes. This is me. This is my friend. 2010. Ankit had. This is year 2000. Ankit had two phones. First phone was HTC, and the second phone was N8. And I had. Then came year 2011. Ankit got Nokia C2, and this is the year when I got my first phone, which is known as Nokia 2690. 2690. Irony is the price for the same is also. Irony is the price of the phone is the same as 2690. Then was the year when I started to fall for Samsung, which is 2012. Well, technically, I should have done this year because he has more phones than me, but it's okay. Is when he got Samsung S3, and this is the year when I got my Samsung Pop. Galaxy Pop. And this is a time I started loving Android. Yes, I fell in love with Android because I've seen this year I saw S3 and Galaxy Pop. The Galaxy Pop gave me that freedom of doing anything. I have done a lot of custom ROMs and all those things in that phone. I was very happy with Android. This was one of the best investment of my entire time. And I was very happy with it. But this was again a pre-owned. It was a second-hand phone. Okay, and this S3 gave me a sense. I was very happy. We used to play a lot of it. So this phone was a phone was like a basic Android phone. This was like a flagship of more expensive and powerful Samsung phone. So at the same year, I had an experience of a normal Android as well as an expensive Android at the same time. Then in 2013, after seeing his S3, he still had S3. I upgraded to Note 1. Again, it was a pre-owned. Because see, this was good, but this was better than this. I was again going up for the best, but it was still yet to come. 2014, my boy Ankit shifted to iPhone 5s. He went to Apple, and in 2014, I went from Samsung to Mi 3. Again, pre-owned. In 2015, he shifted to iPhone 6. So by this time he has become an iPhone fanboy, and I shifted to Redmi Note 3. But this time it was a new phone. Again I shifted in 2016. By this time I was changing my phones every year. Ankit managed to still be in iPhone 6, whereas I changed my phone from Mi Note 3 to Asus. Asus. Then phone 2. And now in 2017 came the year when I started working. Yes, I completed my post-graduation and I started working in a company. February 2017 I started working. And that is the time when I decided that on my birthday, May 27, 2017, I'll buy the most expensive phone of that time, or one of the most expensive phone of that time. So now you know I love Samsung. You saw that chart, that beautiful drawing, the mashallah drawing that I did. I love Samsung. I have been a big fan of Samsung, but this time, see, I am not an Apple boy. I have never been an Apple boy. By the way, this video is shot on iPhone 7, which was given to me by a friend. This is a spare phone he has given to me because my Samsung S8 has a problem in its charging port, so I usually use my dock, wireless dock, to charge my phone. So he gave me, but I still use my Samsung S8 as a primary phone because I can't resist. See, I've never been an Apple fanboy. Okay, I was never intrigued towards buying an iPhone. You know how much I love Samsung because of that chart. But Samsung had not made some great phones by then. Samsung S6, S7 were like okay phone. I need to buy an Apple because that was an expensive phone then, and it was pretty interesting to buy an iPhone that time. But the same friend of mine, Ankit, gave me a call. He was in Canada. He gave me a WhatsApp call from there and told me Samsung has just launched their Samsung S8. Have a look. It's pretty amazing. That launch and my mind blew. It was like a love at first sight. Okay, I didn't thought much. I just went there and pre-booked my Samsung S8. After that, it was a long wait. Yeah, a very long wait. You don't even know how long it was. On May 4th, 2017, the phone was launched for everybody in India. I went there. I took my Samsung S8. The time when I achieved my desire, my dream to have an expensive phone. And I'm telling you, if you have any desires in your life, please try achieving them. And once you achieve them, and if you have achieved any of your desires, please comment down below. Chote se chota, bade se bada, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you have achieved it. Okay, and it matters a lot for yourself. And see, I don't know, this is a very small desire. Maybe you might not be so inspired or so happy with it, but it's a desire that I am very happy about. Okay, I am really very happy about. I started using my phone. I felt the power. The expensive phone, there's a difference between a normal phone and an expensive phone. You feel elegant. You feel that powerful. You feel you have that freedom to use. You can do anything. You can do multitasking easily. You can do a lot of things. These are very small things that I'm talking about. I started feeling that power. But there was a constant reminder from everybody around me. बड़े लोग 60,000 का फ़ोन, 60,000 रुपीज़ फ़ोन, बिग पीपल, क्या बोलना, सैमसंग S8, बड़े लोग, कैमरा इतना मस्त है, वाटर प्रूफ है, ये है, वो है. But frankly, it didn't affect me because I was very happy with my phone. See, I was very happy. I was in love with this phone. I am still in love with this phone. This phone gave me a sense of power. this phone gave me a confidence to showcase my creativity. 2 years ago, I started my YouTube channel from this phone. I made 16 odd videos, used this phone inside water, dropped this phone multiple times, and it still used to work. Still works very fine. Lovely. I edited, I shot, I edited, I did every possible thing that I can use. It was, and I'm happy to say it turned out well. All the money that I spent for this phone, exactly this much, was spent well. I didn't feel like I have spent a lot of money on a phone because I was very happy with it, and I'm still happy with it. Because frankly, I can't afford to upgrade it to S20 because it's damn expensive for me. But I won't say it out loud. ये हमारे और तुम्हारे बीच की बात है, okay? But what I'll say is, because I can. It works perfectly, but doesn't look perfect. My front display is gone. My back glass is gone. My charging port doesn't work. My earphone port doesn't work. I use this docket, wireless docket, to charge my phone. This is how it looks. And I use this Samsung earbuds. Again, this was gifted by the same friend of mine. The same friend of mine. See, I'm very happy to have friends like these, okay? I'm blessed to have friends like these. So after 3 long years, this is the 4th year technically, everyone around me have to say one thing. Not बड़े लोग, भाई तू phone कब change करे? Just change your phone, buddy. It's gone. It's busted. But deep down, frankly, I'm used to this power. I'm used to this experience of having an expensive phone. I'm used to that sense of holding an experienced phone. I'm used to that freedom of doing anything without any thought, without having a doubt that will my phone be able to handle those many things. I'm happy to hold that sense. And now shifting to a regular phone after all those senses, all those freedom, all those achievements, which is very difficult for me. See, did you hear? Satya hai. Like how this expensive phone works as compared to a regular phone. I'm used to this. I'm addicted to this phone. And frankly, I can't afford to buy a new expensive phone because the latest upgrade to S8 is S20. Yes. It's damn expensive, but pretty solid. I am in love with that phone, but I can't. So this brings us to the end of this video. I would like to say one thing to anyone, even if you're watching, if you have even a small desire, just fulfill it. The feeling of fulfilling your desire is priceless. That sense of proud, you're self-proud of that. Always have a desire. Small goals, big goals, whatever it is. Always have a goal. Always have a desire to fulfill. Because when you fulfill that desire, you feel proud about yourself. You feel happy about yourself. Then it doesn't matter what other people are saying. Okay? It doesn't matter what people around you are saying. That, are you mad? You're thinking of buying this. It's a damn expensive phone. You don't deserve it. You don't have to buy. You have multiple options. Why are you buying it? If you want to buy it, just go and buy it, and don't give a fuck about anyone who's around you. See, after 9 years, after 7 years of me having a desire, I have bought this. I have completed my desire after 7 years. Or even more, I don't know exactly. It was 2010, I bought my phone in 2007. Yes. Exactly 7 years later, I bought my phone. It was it was a small desire, but for a very long desire. Okay, and once when I achieved that desire, It made me feel happy about myself. It made me feel confident about myself. It made me feel proud about myself. So if you have any desire, or if you have completed any desires, you can share it with me on the comment section below. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you want to hear more stories, you can just comment down below for more stories. And if you're watching from Samsung, or if you know someone from Samsung, comment down below, tag them and tell them that you have made one of the most awesome piece of technology in the name of S8. And also comment down below how did you like this video. Okay, peace.